What's up, guys? Happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to the Real Mess. And now tonight we're off in the cold because we have a special visitor in town. 1071 has finally returned from backstage and is up here in Readville Yard and will be testing tomorrow on the NEC. Now, when I initially flew in here, I didn't even notice it at first. I was expecting it to be fully painted at this time, but no, it's still black. It's hiding right back there. Also here we have GP40 MC 1128, which has been a nice visitor on the south side this week. Coming to the other side of the layover, we find PNLX 2107. With winter approaching fast and the temperature down in the 30s tonight, we're going to take a quick skim over the yard and be on our way. Alright, this ends our adventure here today. We'll be back later to see 1071 in testing and eventually painted. Hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next one. As always, thanks for watching.